My name is Neanshi Jain. I am from class 4B. Today I am showing you a science experiment. Materials required are 2 balloons and a candle. Now I am taking a balloon and the candle. I'll burst it with the help of candle. See, the balloon has been burst. Now I am taking my second balloon and then see the magic. See, the balloon is not bursting. See, now again I'll show you. I'll keep the balloon above the candle. See, the balloon is not bursting. Because my first balloon was filled with air and my second balloon was filled with water. The reason behind this is when we fill a balloon with water instead of air, the water absorbs most of the heat, so the rubber does not get very hot. And water has a high capacity of heat, much higher than the air, so it keeps the balloon from bursting. Bye bye.